Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Apple ID tied to the App Store. Once done, look in iCloud Keychain or any password manager you use. Many people already saved it. Make sure the device is online and you can access the recovery phone number or email. This matters because the next steps send verification there. If you can't find the ID, check past receipts, device settings, or the App Store purchase history to reveal the account email before moving on. You now use Apple's built-in recovery path. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap your name, then Password and Security to change the password after authenticating. Alternatively, visit Appleid. Apple.com and choose Forgot Password. Follow two-factor prompts sent to trusted devices or numbers. If those options fail, start account recovery. It's automated, takes time, and verifies you are the owner. Make sure to provide accurate contact info for recovery status updates, because once approved, you'll be allowed to reset the App Store password. Complete the process by resetting the password and immediately signing back into the App Store and iCloud on your devices. Once done, enable two-factor authentication and update trusted phone numbers and backup contacts so future recovery is faster. Make sure to store the new password in a password manager or iCloud Keychain to avoid repeating this. Troubleshooting tip: if recovery stalls past the expected wait, contact Apple support with your device.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.